Hi, my name is Tara.
And I am Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Do Stuff.
We're debating a name change.
We're debating a name change. If you have an opinion on the name, we'd love to hear it. Here's the thing. Try stuff. What?
Implies we're trying things.
But it doesn't always work. Because we want to travel.
Well.
Right.
So then it might not be something we're doing for the first time. So we're talking about maybe changing it to just do stuff.
To open us up. Because we know food. Food's trying.
Food is definitely trying.
Traveling is doing.
Traveling's doing.
Well, you can try Seattle. Like, I've never been to Seattle.
Yeah, but we can't try to go to the beach in the rain right now because we've done it before.
Well, we are trying to go to the
Natalie
beach
and Tara attempt stuff.
So we are heading down to Laguna today as our first traveling adventure because we haven't done a traveling thing before, and we decided to pick a location that is close to us, and it's probably the worst day to go to the beach because it is pouring down rain.
No, that makes it the best day to go to the beach, but for different reasons.
Why is it good to go to the beach?
Because there's no one there.
I want to find beach glass, Natalie.
Okay. I don't know what that is either.
You know what beach glass? It's like the little, like when you break a bottle, and then the waves wash it on the shore a lot, and then it wears it down. So it's like super, super soft glass.
Trash? You want to find trash? We did this 7 years ago. Tara and I had a rainy day beach adventure, and it stemmed from the year before I did it. I just decided, hey, it's raining. It never rains in California. I went to the beach and just sat there by myself at Santa Monica Pier on a swing, and it was just gorgeous. There's just something about like going to some place that's normally really, really crowded and it being a ghost town that is just, I don't know. There's a little bit of eerie to it, but also just a little bit of magic. We haven't done this in 7 years because it hasn't rained in 7 years, so
this is not entirely true. Okay, so we have made it to Laguna, and Natalie is whining and wants coffee. So the first thing we're gonna do is go get coffee.
It's pouring outside.
And it's pouring.
It's not raining, it's pouring.
Rain. Natalie, it's pouring.
Hi.
What? Look at this. It's fucking pouring down rain. Why did you think this is a cute idea?
Well, last time I did it wasn't raining this much.
Bad. Laguna Beach it's a pretty misleading term because we've walked to where the beach would be, and here's the beach. It's kind of more of rock.
While actually gorgeous.
Beautiful.
It's not someplace where we're gonna go lay a blanket down.
Oh hey, there's a beach.
Yeah, but I don't think it's
Right.
awfully dangerous.
It does look really dangerous. Look at that waterfall over there. Oh, that's so pretty. We found stairs. Oh God, I think I'm gonna die. If there's a tsunami, it's your fault.
Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes.
It's still your fault.
Any moment this landslide could come down on us, by the way. That's what you need to worry about.
What?
All of this coming down on you.
What do you mean a landslide?
Mudslide? That's what you need to worry about with rain in California, nothing else.
Those happen in Malibu. It's Laguna.
Oh yeah, Laguna, we don't get that kind of problem.
Right? That doesn't happen here. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't care that it's raining. Look how high the water is. Oh my God, look at this waterfall.
It's a pipe.
I found sea glass! Sea glass! Aren't you freezing? What? Are you freezing? Okay. That's California for you folks. I did find sea glass. Wine tasting. Yes. That was on the list. I think we finished our coffees. Continue to get drenched. My nose is so red. Look at my nose. And I think we warm up with wine.
Oh yeah. Definitely a red wine. Then.
Flash flood warning. We're just gonna stay here tonight.